Open any browser on your PC and type in your router's IP address. The most common one is 192.168.1.1. Type that into the address bar and hit enter. If that doesn't work, just Google your router brand name and add default gateway. You'll find it quickly. Now enter your username and password to log in. Most routers use admin for both by default. If that doesn't work, check the sticker on the back of your router or Google your router model. Once you're logged in, go to your Wi-Fi settings. Now look for an option called WLAN band steering. This is the setting that links your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz together under one name. Disable it. Once you turn it off, both bands will start appearing separately on your devices. Now make sure both your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz are enabled in the settings. Save the changes, go to your device and check your available Wi-Fi networks. You'll now see two separate networks, one for 2.4 GHz and one for 5 GHz. Connect to whichever one you need. If this helps, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.